The little sparrow.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Harsha. What's your name?
I'm Dia.
How old are you, Dia?
I'm 5 years old. How old are you?
I'm 5 too.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family. What about you?
My family has 3 people.
Where do you live?
I live near the park. Where do you live? I live near a temple. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a little cat. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a puppy.
What do you like to do, Dia?
I like to draw and color. What about you?
I like to play with my toys.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What's yours?
My favorite color is pink.
Son, what's your favorite food?
I love idli and dosas.
Nice.
What's your favorite food?
I like curd rice with potato fries.
What's your favorite cartoon?
I like Mickey Mouse. What about you?
I like the little sparrow.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a teacher. Well, what about you?
I want to be a pilot. Wow, that sounds amazing. I've never been on an airplane. Really? When I become a pilot, I'll take you for a ride.
Yay, I'll be your first passenger.
Haha, deal. But now I have to go. It's time for my homework.
Okay, Harsha. Don't forget to study hard so you can fly high someday.
I won't. Thank you, Dia. Bye, Dia. See you later.
Bye, Harsha.
Thank you for watching. For more fun and educational videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Little Sparrow. See you in the next video.